Question number 9. A ball collides with a wall. Ball collides with a wall. Wall doesn't collide. Okay. But before the collision, the ball moves at a velocity of 8 meters per second. Here it is moving at 8 meters per second to the right. After the collision, it moves with velocity 3 meters per second to the left. After collision, it moves with 3 meters per second to the left. Okay. So it means some energy is lost to the wall. What is the change in velocity of the ball? Change in velocity. The moment you say velocity, which means you need to consider this as a vector, not as a scalar. So therefore, what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is this much. What is the final velocity? This is your final velocity. What is change in velocity? Change in velocity should be v minus u. So which should be, if this direction is positive, then this direction should be negative. So this should be minus 3 and then minus, what is this? Minus 8, right? So this will be plus 8 over here, minus 8 over here because there is a minus sign here, which should be equal to minus 11 meter per second. Now you see, it is asking for 11 meters per second. So this two are incorrect. So 11 meters to the second, to the left or to the right. Which was the right one? So 11 meters per second to the left over here. So answer is C over here.